Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 7 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. What is the MNAV roadmap in AI and how does it impact India's technological advancement? The MNAV roadmap, presented by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stands for Moral and Ethical Systems, Accountable Governance, National Sovereignty, Accessible and Inclusive AI, and Valid and Legitimate Systems. It aims to shape AI in a manner that places humanity at its core. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 is being held in New Delhi from February 16 to 20, 2026. Where technology leaders and policymakers are deliberating on the future of artificial intelligence. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology, and is important for understanding India's approach to AI development and its implications on society. Key takeaways: MNAV Roadmap. India AI Impact Summit 2026. Human-centric AI approach. What is the Supreme Court stance on the freebies culture in India? The Supreme Court has slammed the freebies culture, stating that it hampers the country's economic development and that states should work to open avenues for employment instead of distributing freebies. The court's remarks came in response to the Tamil Nadu Power Distribution Corporation Ltd's plea to provide free electricity to all consumers, regardless of financial status. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and is important for understanding the implications of freebies culture on the economy and governance. Key takeaways: Supreme Court stance on freebies culture. Economic implications of freebies culture. Need for employment avenues. What is the latest development in the Gaganyaan mission? The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has conducted a successful qualification-level load test of the drogue parachute for the Gaganyaan program in Chandigarh. The test was conducted in collaboration with the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, and other dedicated teams. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology, and is important for understanding India's space program and technological advancements. Key takeaways: Gaganyaan mission. Drogue parachute test. Collaboration between DRDO and ISRO. What are the government initiatives to promote soil health in India? The government has initiated several schemes, including the Soil Health Card Scheme, PM Pranam Scheme, and Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, to promote soil health and sustainable agricultural practices. The Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations, ICRIA, has released a report on soil health degradation in India, highlighting the need for sustainable agricultural practices. This topic is relevant for GS3, Environment and Ecology, and is important for understanding government initiatives and sustainable agricultural practices. Key takeaways: Soil Health Card Scheme, PM Pranam Scheme, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. What are the evolving maritime challenges and how can they be addressed? The evolving maritime challenges include traditional threats, emerging challenges such as piracy, maritime terrorism, and climate change, which require enhanced cooperation among navies to ensure a safer and more secure future. The exercise Milan, inaugurated by Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh, aims to reinforce cooperative maritime engagement, collective security, and rule-based maritime order. This topic is relevant for GS3, Security and Defense, and is important for understanding maritime security and international cooperation. Key takeaways: Evolving maritime challenges. Exercise Milan. International cooperation for maritime security. What is the center's plan to develop border villages? The center plans to bring 1,954 strategic villages along the land borders with Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar under the Vibrant Village Program, VVP, to promote development and assimilation of the border population. The VVP aims to ensure better living conditions, adequate livelihood opportunities, and wean away the border population from inimical activities. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and is important for understanding government initiatives for border development and national security. Key takeaways: Vibrant Village Program, VVP. Border Village Development. Assimilation of border population. What is the current geopolitical situation with Iran and its implications? Iran has re-entered the global geopolitical spotlight, with the US and other countries negotiating with Iran to curtail its nuclear program, amidst rising tensions and military posturing in the region. The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA, was negotiated in 2015, but the US exited the agreement in 2018, leading to a deterioration in relations between the US and Iran. This topic is relevant for GS2, international relations, and is important for understanding global geopolitics, nuclear non-proliferation, and international relations. Key takeaways: Iran's nuclear program, JCPOA, US-Iran relations. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.